Hey guys, so it's me, Wushin here, and today we're going to be talking about the deleted scenes of arachnophobia part 1 and 2. So, I'm going to tell you the deleted sounds we never added on our arachnophobia 1 and 2. So, now, here's this one. So, number 1, we got Mommy Long Weeks to scream and attack sounds, and here we go, but I think it's gonna be more louder. So, please, if you're wearing headphones, please turn it down. If it's hurting your ears, also just turn it down. And the attack sound. Next up, jean jackets, deleted sound. Now, prepare to hear the sound. And the last deleted sound, the tripod, and also he's gonna be in the new movie called Arachnophobia Part 3. So I hope you like it in the movie, and happy 4th of July. Thank you. So that's all of the deleted scenes of not deleted scenes, sorry. I meant the deleted sounds of the main characters like Mommy Longlegs, Jean Jacket, the tripod. And we'll see you in part 3. Perhaps before the pumpkin guy with wings comes. Like and subscribe. And happy 4th of July.